Welcome to IPMWORKS e-learning modules. My name is Marleen Riemens from Wageningen University and Research, the Netherlands. This video is part of Module 3, Integrated Weed Management, Chapter 2, Principles of Integrated Weed Management, Triangles and Hexagons. It will introduce the Integrated Weed Management Framework to you. For the future, we cannot tell how our food systems will look like. There is no single future scenario yet. It can be that food production and nature will share the same surface area, see the right corner, or that we make room for nature by the principle of land sparing on the top left and high intensification of agriculture. As weed scientists, we should be ready to manage weeds in all possible future scenarios. I would like to introduce the ESR paradigm to you. This paradigm highlights the 3 steps needed in all transition processes towards increased sustainability. It is also highly relevant for weed management. The 3 phases in transition to durability are efficiency, substitution, and redesign. And so far in agriculture, the focus has been on increasing the efficiency of herbicides, for instance by adding adjuvants. The second step, also a lot of literature is available on, is the substitution of herbicides by mechanical, physical, or thermal control measures. Redesign has received less attention so far, and truly integrated weed management requires a redesign of the system, a complex step towards sustainability. It will need a paradigm change towards integrated weed management from single-season targeted control measures towards an integrated multi-season farm or regional level approach. For integrated weed management, this means that we need to focus on managing weed communities. This in contrast to a reactive approach that targets control at species that have already become problematic. Since most weed species have a high phenotypic plasticity, they can quickly adapt to repeated management tactics and escape control measures aimed at their eradication. Weeds respond and adapt to all cropping operations. The focus of integrated weed management is therefore diversified crop and weed management strategies. The crop's life cycle and growing conditions determine the crop management operations and available weed control tactics, both in terms of timing and tools that can be applied. Therefore, diversification of the cropping system allows to diversify weed management practices and will impact differently on various weed species. Integrated weed management will start with the life cycle of weeds. Here you see a very simplified representation, from seeds to seedlings and to adult plants. Each step in the life cycle can be interrupted with tactics and tools. Notice the colors. They indicate where the weed life cycle is interrupted. Gray measures prevent competition between crop and weed. Orange measures reduce multiplication of the weed, and green measures will prevent establishment of the weed. In a more general sense, these colors can also be applied for disease, insect, and nematode control. Within the EU project IWM Praise, we developed a framework for redesigning weed management using 5 pillars of integrated weed management. The first step is crop diversification in time and space. The second is cultivar choice and cropping strategy. The third is soil management. The fourth is targeted control. And the fifth is monitoring and evaluation. More can be read on the website of the project or in the European Journal of Agronomy. Here you see the framework again. And to each of the pillars in blue, tactics and tools belong that hamper the life cycle of weeds. And do you remember the 3 colors from the life cycle? They are visible here again. As an example, you see planting and sowing date in the cultivar choice pillar on the right, or mechanical weeding in the targeted control pillar on the left. The red triangles depicted are supportive tactics for monitoring and decision making. Combining tactics and tools from different pillars, from the blue hexagons, and different colors, so orange, green, or gray, will diversify your weed management strategy and therefore your weed population, reducing the chance of dominant, highly adapted weed species in the cropping system. Thank you for your attention.